Hello, this is Mrs. Johnson. Today we are going to review multiplication of decimals. The objective for today is to introduce multiplication of decimals by whole numbers and to reinforce estimation and the partial products method. The first thing we're going to do is we are going to read the story problem presented first. It says, calculators are on sale for $9.29 each. How much will 5 of them cost? Well, the first thing we want to do is estimate the cost of 5 calculators. So I have written out the problem here. $9.29 times 5. If I were to round these numbers, I would round $9.29 probably to $9. And I would keep 5. Then I would multiply, and I know that 9 times 5 is 45. Now, I know my answer should be around $45 when I'm all done. Step 2. Now, let's figure it out by multiplying without the decimal. Again, look, before it was $9.29 times 5, but now we're just going to keep the decimal out. So let's begin by multiplying 9 times 5 is 45. I put the 4 in the tens place, the 5 in the ones place. Now I'm going to do my 5 times my tens place. 5 times 2 is 10. So I put my 1 in the hundreds and 0 in the tens. And last I'm going to do 5 times 9 is 45. My last step in multiplication with lattice is to add up my columns here. So 5 comes down, 4 plus 0 is 4, 1 plus 5 is 6, and then 4. So now I have an answer that looks like 4,645. Of course that's not right. 4,645 is not how much 5 calculators cost. Where should we put the decimal back in? Well, if we go back to our original estimate said it should be close to $45. So that means I would put my decimal between my 6 and my 4, so I have $46.45. That is my final answer. Let's try one more problem together. Now I have 6 times 3 and 75/100ths. First thing we're going to do is estimate the product. So I can keep 6 as it is, and 3.75, I might just round that to 4. And we know 6 times 4 is 24. So when I'm all done, I want my answer to be close to 24. So now let's figure this out by multiplying without the decimal using lattice. So now I have 375 times 6. So again, let's do lattice. 5 times 6 is 30. 6 times 7 is 42. 6 times 3 is 18. Now we need to add up our columns. 0, 5, 4 plus 8 is 12. Put your 2 here, carry your 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. Now I have an answer that looks like 2,250. So 2,250, however, when we go back to our estimate, we wanted it close to 24. So where are we going to put the decimal in 2,250 so it's close to 24? I'm going to put it between the 2 and the 5. Then I have the answer 22.5 or 22 5/10. And that is the final answer for 6 times 3.75. Thank you.